How to display iPhone battery percentage. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, go to the top and turn on the battery percentage option. As you can see, your phone's battery percentage will now be displayed over the battery icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can always turn off this option whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily display iPhone battery percentage. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.